Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations and technology behind industrial machines. Get ready to dive into the mechanics and marvels of modern manufacturing. Operating an AFT Whiz Wheel 75 wheel trencher on a sports field requires specialist equipment designed to reduce interruption while producing tight trenches. These trenchers are commonly used to construct drainage systems or install irrigation lines beneath playing fields while inflicting minimal damage. The trencher should give precise depth control to safeguard the playing field, while also maintaining a consistent trench depth for drainage or utility lines. Efficient trenching is essential for reducing downtime and returning the field to full use as quickly as feasible. Operating such equipment requires the competence and understanding to navigate the field without damaging the existing turf or irrigation systems. During trenching activities, observe safety protocols to protect both personnel and the integrity of the sports field. The macadamia is an excellent shockwave harvester. This machine normally grips the tree with soft two horizontal rollers and then shakes the tree with great force before dropping it on land without hurting it. So this fantastic gizmo is useful in the agriculture industry. Specialized equipment known as mechanical shakers are utilized. These machines are intended to grab the trunk or primary branches of the pistachio tree. The shaker vibrates the tree vigorously but gently in order to avoid injuring it. The shaking action causes the ripe pistachios to fall off the tree. As the nuts fall, they land on giant catching frames or tarps put beneath the trees. In some cases, these are part of the harvester machinery. The collected nuts are then transferred from the collecting frames into bins or trucks and sent to the processing facility. Brachy M25 is commonly used in forestry efforts to prepare soil for growing new plants. The M25 is normally installed on an excavator or similar carrier with a hydraulic system that powers the mounding unit. The operator drives the carrier and the M25. It generates mounds as it moves through the site. The hydraulic disc blades cut into the soil and extract the residual roots, forming mounds as the soil is rotated over. The Brachy M25. A mounder is an important instrument in modern forestry, as it prepares soil efficiently and effectively for tree planting. The Serra Bavaria SL110 is a mobile sawmill designed for efficient lumber production. Logs are lifted onto the sawmill bed by a hydraulic lifting arms or a log loading ramp. The bed is intended to securely hold the log in place during the cutting operation. The SL110 commonly has a wideband saw blade, resulting in precise and economical cutting. The blade is tensioned and guided through the log to ensure that the cuts are straight. The sawmill is controlled by the operator via a console that includes all of the controls required to modify the saw blade height, move the log through the cutting process, and manage the feed rate. After being cut, the lumber is gathered and graded according to size. The next wood is loaded for processing after the sawmill bed has been cleared. The SL110 is engineered to operate with maximum efficiency, generating the most amount of usable lumber from each log while reducing waste. This is another trenching machine that is specifically designed for trenching the base of walls or for laying pipe underneath. So, a 10-foot log chainsaw is hydraulically equipped with a tractor for trenching. The chainsaw moves quickly and cuts the earth before entering the ground at the adjusted place, and the soil mixture pulls out at another specific hole. This machine completes the task in a few hours without requiring any additional manpower, which is remarkable. The Vermeer T6 155 trencher is a powerful and versatile instrument that is commonly used in construction and utility activities. When combined with a backfiller attachment, it improves its capabilities by allowing it to dig and backfill trenches more effectively. This attachment is especially useful for completing trenching operations quickly and effectively because it eliminates the need for separate equipment for digging and backfilling, simplifying the entire process. It is commonly used in projects that need trenching and backfilling at the same time or in quick succession, such as installing utility lines or drainage systems. The Narva H60 Halkamakon is a more practical hydraulic firewood processor designed for effective wood splitting. The H60 is attached to a 10-foot arm that is hydraulically equipped with a tractor and also functions as a wood splitter. Logs are fed into the machine's splitting chamber. Hydraulic arms firmly hold the timber. A strong hydraulic blade is thrust through the log to split it into firewood. The splitting blade may be adjusted to produce firewood of several sizes. Split wood is automatically expelled by the machine. This procedure is repeated quickly and efficiently, which increases firewood production. The Steyr SGF 1300 is used to dig the trench following the indicated path. The machine's changeable depth setting guarantees that the trench is dug to the proper depth for the pipes. This gadget plays an important function in the forestry industry. This machine is mounted on the back of the tractor, and a heavy sharp rotor is fitted in the device, which sharply digs the land and throws the soil out through a running belt from the desired location. After the digging is finished, the water pipes are installed in the prepared trench, and they are properly aligned and linked. After the pipes are laid, the trench is filled with stabilized soil mixture. The entire procedure takes less time, reducing the labor requirement. The Harvester PC2 100/370E is a piece of forestry equipment designed for efficient tree cutting. The harvester moves through the forest on a tracked or wheeled undercarriage, allowing it to handle difficult terrain. The harvester's cutting head includes either a rotor or a circular saw. The cutting head is positioned at the tree's root. The saw fires up, making a clean cut through the trunk. The harvester's clutching arms hold the tree firmly, preventing it from falling uncontrollably. The harvester's boom lifts and positions the cut tree horizontally. The cutting head also has delimbing knives that remove branches from the trunk as it is pulled through.